How to download Fortnite on Android. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to easily download Fortnite on your Android device. First thing you have to do is uh, open up your Google Chrome or any other web browser because you're not able to download it directly from Play Stores. What I can do is go to Chrome and then download Epic Games Store. So just go ahead and search for Epic Games Store over here. Tap on Epic Games and then you can install Epic Game Stores on your Android device. Even if you are on iOS, you can directly download it. So find the install button at the top of the screen, and once you tap on install, you'll be able to download the installation file for Epic Game Store. Wait for a bit, tap on install on Android. Now again, from here, tap on download. I already have this, so I'll just download it again. Wait for a bit, and once the installation file is downloaded, you can just open the downloaded file, enable installing from unknown app on Chrome, and then install Epic Game Store there. Now I can just go ahead and open up the Epic Game Store's APK over here, tap on it, tap on install, and you can easily install the Epic Games Store. Wait for a bit, and once it's installed, you're able to open it and download Fortnite from Epic Games Store. Now go ahead and tap on open. You don't even have to worry about anything else. You could just directly download Fortnite from here. Tap on get started. Simply log into your Epic Games account. If you don't have one, you can easily create one. I'll just quickly log in over here using my Google. Once you've selected your account, they'll send you a verification code to log in. So let me just quickly enter that. Alright, so here is the code. I can just copy this and then I'm able to paste it on my two-factor code. So let me just copy this code, go over here and then paste it. Now I can just long press on it and then paste, tap on continue, and then you should be able to log in without any problem. Now once you are logged in, tap on continue and you'll be logged in right away. Now confirm your email address. I'll just continue on with my email. I'll just continue email as my primary authenticator. Now you will land on the Epic Game Store. Now all you have to do is find the search icon at the top. Then simply search for Fortnite. Tap on it. And then you can easily tap on this install button to start downloading for free. And that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.